Today I'm going to be reviewing APOTODITO's Christmas card. This 3D, look at this thing with lights and music, Christmas bouquet with Snowman. This scene's awesome. I want to thank APOTODITO for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. I'll open it up so you can see the 3D, but it's got songs in there. I can't play them all very long, but you're going to hear it. Listen to this. So I just got this in. I showed it to my wife last night. We're like, this is amazing. We're giving this to mom. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it because it is 3D. So you get the big card holder. Very nice. The 3D card, which does pop out. So it comes out of this right here. This is what it looks like right there. So you can see. That's what it looks like. So it goes compact like that, and it opens up like this. And you just push this button for the songs. It plays a bunch of different, I think I counted it was like 5 or 6. Really cool, really good looking. I mean, I'm excited about this. Not that expensive for a card like this. You would think it'd be a lot more. It's an Amazon choice, 4.7 stars. So you know people get this, they like it. It's all good. 1,182 ratings. It's an Amazon choice. And last month, October 2025, 400 were bought of these. I guarantee you this month and next month, it's going to be a much bigger number. In fact, you may want to get this now before it's too late. I'm impressed. I'm excited. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.